Welcome to Bab's Log. We are here to review the Arshia multi-purpose pressure cooker. The 10-liter capacity pressure cooker is perfect for cooking family-sized portions, making it ideal for daily meals or batch cooking. The pressure cooking technology locks in flavors, tenderizes meats, and shortens cooking times, allowing you to enjoy flavorful and perfectly cooked dishes. It is crafted with high quality stainless steel, and also this pressure cooker ensures even heat distribution and helps you save 70% of energy. Thanks very much, guys.